What's the meaning of caliper? Caliper. Caliper.
Caliper. Caliper. A caliper is a measuring tool used to determine the distance between two opposite sides of an object or the size of the object. It consists of two arms, one fixed and one movable, that can be adjusted to fit the object being measured. By using a caliper, accurate measurements can be obtained for a variety of items such as pipes, tubes, and cylinders. The caliper is commonly used in engineering, manufacturing, and scientific research because it allows for precise measurements to be taken, ensuring that objects are made to exact specifications.